This is part of a gear selector linkage of a steam wagon, and what I've got to do is move that keyway from there across to there. So I think I'll fill that up with MIG weld. It's just mild steel this, and then machining that keyway in to correspond with that. The other way is to make a new shaft and put the offset on the keyway slightly different, but all he wants us to do is weld that up and put it on that keyway in. It's not on a massive load, so it should work out quite nicely. I'm not sure what to TIG weld that, braze it or MIG weld it. Probably MIG is quicker and it'll put less heat in. I think that's what I'll do. I'll clean it up and MIG weld it. Right, I've ran some MIG in, fully filled that keyway. I've also put a bead down that side as well, just to try and stop it bending, because believe it or not, that will actually pull across to that side of the weld. We'll let it cool down, put it in the lathe and then machine that about back to size and put a keyway in. The keyway is measuring just under quarter. It probably is quarter, but I think what I might do is put a 6mm cutter through it and just tweak it each side to get it right. Interrupted cuts onto best. Very near. I don't want to take too much of it. It's cool, so it's certainly getting there. It wasn't exactly a wonderful fit in there anyway. No heat in it. And the cooling there, isn't it? Very good neither. Oh, in fact, it's piss wobbly slack that way, but it does need to go in that way. You take a little bit off the inside edge. Good as it's going to get. It's actually a better fit than it was. That's where the keyway was that was welded up, so it's fully welded. That was it in there. It's been welded before this, built up. And I've got two marks there where the new keyway has to go. Original one there, new one there. Need to find the centre of the bar. Hopefully you can see the readout as well in the camera shot. And bring it in gently until it just touches that. It'll start moving and then pushes off to one side, zero the axis. Do it again. There. Do it again. Right, zero. bring it across to the other side. Same again, bring it in, it just touches, and you stop moving there, and it kicks off there. And all we do is we're half that axis, wind that to 0, and that's dead on centre of that piece of bar there. Block the table off at that. Unfortunately the Z axis on the DRO stopped working, so I'll have to use the scale that's on the hand wheel, and that's actually imperial, and I'll need 110 thou depth to the actual outsides of the slot. So I'm just going to touch this off and then 0 the handle. And I just whisper in there with the 0 the handle. I'll put a 20 thou cut, and I'm not in a hurry to do this. I don't want to break the cutter, so we'll just take our time, because it is going to run into the well metal. Another 20. That feels good. It's going to be tight, that's what I want. It's a 1/4 cutter we're using. Bastard. Just give me a measure that. Another 20, you should see it done. I think it's going to be alright, that. Right. That's not going to give any body, is it? I'll leave it like that. And if he wants to file it and make it a little bit of an easier fit, he can. I'm not sure how that actually goes in, whether he can leave it on, or I'll leave it at that. I've been asked if I can make one of those. It holds a gear gator into a wagon carb floor. Plastic, it's all broken. So I've done a drawing. I'm going to plasma cut out the components. There'll be that circle, that oblong there, that one, and then a spreader piece to go between. Right, so they've cut very nicely. I've used 2mm plate because that's basically all I've got. So that's the bottom bit, that's the outer bit, and I've got a strip to go in between, just in case now we're fabricating all this together. Could do it a little bit thinner, but I'm sure we'll manage. I'll find something roughly that diameter to bend that around, and then we'll just sort of tack weld it all together and go from there. That looks like sort of small oxy bottle size. We'll have it to the joins on the strip, but I think it should be long enough, hopefully. I think what I'll do is just put some little tacks and make slot on there, just bend it around as I'm going. Just little tacks in there, it'll not take much to hold it, it's just got to hold a rubber gaiter on. That's looking better than I thought it would have. Right, so that's that bit. That bit now goes onto there. Line it up as best we can. And just a few tacks on there. Like I say, it's only got a whole rubber gaiter on. It's had a little bit clean up and it looks good. I'm very happy with that. Really happy with it. I'm sure it'll do the job for the lad. But there's 4 holes to drill now. I'll put them in and the job's finished off properly. And from starting to do the drone, actually making it's less than an hour. And you can't get one, so I'll tell you what it is, that was not break.